Building on decades of proud and proven success, Jacksonville Ship Repair looks to the future.
A future where the advanced ship repair technologies and expanded docking capacities will enable our team to move faster and more efficiently.
Jacksonville Ship Repair will become the most capable facility with the most dedicated ship repair team on the East Coast of the United States.
This is the future of ship repair. What makes Jacksonville Ship Repair special? The people. Of course, we do wonderful quality work, but the work doesn't happen without the people.
We are the team of the resilience. We face all different kind of challenges every day, but we always find a way to overcome it.
Part of the uniqueness of what we do here is we have a lot of skills in-house. We have our heavy mechanical, which is our machinist, outside machinist, steel shop, steel fabrication, certified welders for NAVC and both ABS. We have a pipe shop, fabrication shop, but we also have sheet metal, which fabricate ductwork, stainless steel galvanized, our own deck departments. So we have a whole host of skill sets within our facility that most shipyards typically don't.
The new ship lift is exciting because it's going to really put Jacksonville here on the map. We're going to be hard to compete with. It's quite amazing. I want to see it firsthand.
We'll be able to do more ship repairs and support the community even beyond the realm of what we can think of right now.
When the owner brings their vessel in, they can expect full discretion because of the type of facility we are, working with Navy ships. Obviously, we have a high level of security. We have secured spaces for their offices, and they receive basically a premier level of service.